Hello, my GCM at Home friends. My name is Jessi, and I'm a Playologist here at the Glazer Children's Museum. Do you like bugs? Well, I do. And insects play a very important part in our world. Predators, decomposers, and pollinators are the three kinds of insects we'll learn about today. So, what is a predator? They eat pests that destroy our crops. They control our gardens in Florida and keep them from getting destroyed by bad bugs like mites, maggots, and mosquitoes. Ladybugs, dragonflies, and praying mantis are some examples of predators. Decomposers are insects that consume waste in our environment, like trash, spoiled food, dead bugs, and rotten wood. These are important to Florida because decomposers' waste turn into nutrients for our soil and help new plants grow and thrive. Termites, cockroaches, and ants are some examples of decomposers. Pollinators carry pollen and help in flower pollination. They collect pollen in their legs and spread it around, which helps create new seeds, which turn into new plants. Butterflies, bees, and flies are examples of pollinators. Today, we are going to become scientists and try to safely catch some of these bugs with a bug tumble trap. Scientists make observations to learn more about the way our world works. We are going to observe the way our bugs look and their behaviors to learn more about them. But pay special attention to if they have wings, what color are they, what do they eat, how many legs do they have, and all the special stuff like that. You will need a recycled yogurt cup, a bottle, jam jar, or tub, clear as best, bait, some cheese, bread, fruit, whatever you have, a shovel, magnifying glass, and then some dirt and leaves. Next, you're going to take your recycled container. You have to make sure it's nice and clean and dry. Then you're going to add your soil, leaves, and some of your bait. Then you're going to choose a spot for your trap that is outside. Dig a small hole with a shovel. Place your trap in the hole. Make sure that the top of the trap is level with the ground. Let it sit overnight. And then in the morning, examine what fell into your trap with your magnifying glass. And then you're going to want to empty your trap. You might need a tray or plate to put the contents in. Return the critters to their natural habitat safely once you are done examining. Then share what you've learned with others. That was so much fun. What kind of bugs do you want to catch and observe in your bug tumble trap? Are you looking forward to observing and learning about your bugs? We hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.